Hi everyone, uh, myself Taufik Manham. Thought I'll uh, walk you through to my design process of making a logo. Today I'm doing the design logo challenges. Today I'm doing the 17th logo, as you can see, which is mentioned here, 17 logo design. To talk about the file, uh, typically I work with a file size of 2160 cross 2160, which is a square format. I think this will be easy to go up on Instagram, Dribble, many other places. Also, if you're able to work on a squarish style, a logo, a logo which is able to fit into square, it is much more better. So, without any ado, let's start with the brief. So, yeah, the brief which I have received today is uh, yeah, I'll just read it up. Sorry. Yeah, this is the brief 17 through Z. This is from Felix Powell. Hello, we are excited to be working with you on the Fast branding. Fast is an online platform generator where users can generate and interact with any kind of form like W9 contracts, etc. It's a perfect for freelancer or home business. We'd like the word fast to be in the logo, with perhaps an icon that represents paper or a form. We also require it to be either blue or orange. Thank you so much. Oh, that's nice. So it's pretty simple, straightforward. So basically, the client I've already mentioned that you need to have a paper or a form, and the color and the word form fast should be also incorporated, as well as we need to have a color either blue or orange. So yeah, I'll hide that layer. Or maybe I can delete it. I don't think we require it. So yeah, I'll delete this, and yeah, we'll start with the logo. So typically how I work is I I use a grid format, which is command semicolon, not semicolon, command apostrophe, uh, where I can open the grid. Otherwise, you go to the window, view, and you have this option of uh, smart guides. Oh, that's no, that's the wrong thing. View, smart guide, view, show, hide grid. Yeah, so that's how you hide it. If you want to see the grid, you show the grid. Then I typically create some boxes. So this currently I'm making 100 point cross 100 point box, creating some rectangles, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to replicate a couple of boxes so that I can create a grid. And the whole intention is that I'm going to create a grid so that you can also have an outline. So this is 100 point by 100 point. I've created a grid of 3 by 3, and now I'm going to add another 2 more. So it's basically I'm creating something in the line of like 5:4. Seems like it's a good proportion for a logo. Oh, I think pretty much. I think it's 4:3 was a famous aspect ratio, so I think we'll stick to 4:3. We have 4 as a height and 3 as a width. I'll group it up by Command G. I'll try to center it, make it middle. Now with Command 2, I'm not able to click it, which means I've locked it. And that's option by, you can say under object unlock all, or you select it, go to object and lock it. How did I unlock it? I know the shortcut is command 2 object, yeah, lock selection command 2, and you lock it. So now I'm gonna draw a box. I click a pen tool, start over here, anchor point, another anchor point, come down over here, another anchor point, and close the anchor point. Close the box. Increase the width, make it 10 point. So far so good, not bad. And then you typically have a paper which has been folded, so let's try to replicate the same. I'm not able to see what is beneath it, so the fill, I'll change it from white to nothing. And then make another square, starting from here, here, or just press anywhere and tells you the previous size. And now what I'm going to do is pen tool, I'm going to remove this so I get a square. I get a rectangle. And yeah, this is a new one. I think go to scissor, C is for scissors, cut this, I remove this one. I have this to be kept over here. Now I create another box, go to the pen tool, start from here, start from beginning again, start from this corner, make another line, and yeah, this looks decent enough. I think I need to zoom. First zooming, how you do it is zoom by pressing left button and moving to the right side. Command Y for anchor points, seems fine. I think what I need to do is I have to delete this section, join it to command J for joining the whole thing, and then you can make a square, M, remove that anchor point, square, keep it back. That way I'm able to remove that sharp edges. Then I'll go to object, unlock all. I'll just slightly move to this left. Now my time is gonna make something in the terms of letter F. F. Make it bold. Increase the font size. Get it to 50. Change the font size to, let's say, Abadi. Goes to 150. Point size. Yeah. Now I'm gonna draw a line. So starting from here, ending here. Increase the point wide, make it 200. Oh my, oh goodness, it's super thick. Yeah, sounds good. Duplicate it. Bring it. The whole idea is like to make this form look like letter F. Press A, double click, drag it. Didn't work out well. Let me try this one. And then align it to the left side. The whole idea is just I'm creating letter F. But how do I do it? How do I do it? Keep it over here. Try to pull it over there. When it works, I can drag it over here. Is there a chance I can increase the length? I have no idea. Oh, that's sweet. That worked. Oh, so this one, does it look like an F? Doesn't look like an F, so I think this one, these two should come in the same length. And then it might look like something like an F. Yeah, F for the fast. Delete this, remove this. I'm going to increase the thickness, make it 20. Is it good enough? Not good enough. Make it a little more thicker. Let's say 40. I think it's better now. Just slight adjustment in terms of the. I need to change. Like 40 is too much. So I just want once again check. This is 40, so I think it's better to keep this one at 30. Similarly, this one at 30. Just working on the fly, seeing which is the ideal situation, which one looks fit, which one looks better. Cut it over here, cut it over here. Remove this part. Yeah. Now how do you feel? How does it look? Looks good to me. Looks good to me. Now I had to use the word fast. 150. Increase the font size by Command Shift. Close the bracket. Make the font slightly bigger. We can see it's hitting 300. Keep it aside. Make sure it's almost as the same size of this little F. So I think I need to reduce the size. Let's hit it here 250. Let's see if it's. Is it? Is it right? Is it right? I think it's good. I think it's good. This is a variation. Just keep it here. Make a copy. And make it as big as 500. Yeah. I think it's much better. I mean, this proportion looks, because icon is too huge than the text, than the logo logo letter. I think this is appropriate. And that's it. I think hope you enjoyed it. Oh, this is not vector. For that, what you need to do is go to object, expand it. Okay, so these are all independent. Ungroup it. This one. Similarly, all this one, what you need to do is go to object, expand, go to the pathfinder, make it. So yeah, I think now everything looks fine. Everything looks good for the best, and you're ready to go. Um, I'm so sorry again. Depending on our request, it said that we need to have it colored. In that case, this one, go to the color, trying blue. Something in the digital, I think this color looks good. This color looks better. And need to check which color suits this. You have option of live painting, so you can maybe paint plain blue, and then maybe you can play orange over here. See how does it feel. I think the black and white was much better, but the demand was, the client has mentioned that you need to have blue or orange. So in that case, I think it's better to use something like on Facebook blue color, which is, I think this one. Not focusing much on the color right now, just giving you a rough idea about how to use the program Illustrator, using grid, using proportions and everything. Hope you like it. If you have any comments, please put it across. Thank you. Bye bye.